Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Marcus from InfoSec Governance, and today we're going to be talking about a new international based certification that has recently been released by the UK based company IASME Consortium. IASME are the current certification body for providing the UK government backed Cyber Essentials certification scheme within the UK. However, they also have their own risk based standard called IASME Cyber Assurance, which, although it can be provided to international businesses, it has a prerequisite of having a valid Cyber Essentials certification before achieving certification. This can sometimes cause issues for international based companies, so now IASME have released a new certification. Now, as we said, this has all changed. From October 2023, IASME have released a new certification which is aimed purely at non-UK registered businesses. This certification is called IASME Cyber Baseline. This new certification is purely aimed at businesses which are outside the UK, as I said. Therefore, any UK registered businesses are not able to achieve this certification. However, if UK businesses want to look at the IASME Cyber Assurance certification that the IASME Cyber Assurance certification is based upon, they're more than willing to. So why is this new certification an ideal fit for non-UK based companies? Well, the IASME Cyber Baseline standard is a risk-based framework that is designed to tackle not only the basic cybersecurity controls in the business, but also to look out for more important cybersecurity protection measures which are usually not considered within the business. The standard is based around 8 themes that have been taken from the IASME Cyber Assurance certification standard, and these are Theme 2, Organisation, Theme 3, Assets, Theme 5, Secure Architecture, Theme 7, People, Theme 9, Manage and Access, Theme 10, Technical Intrusion, Theme 11, Backup and Restoration, Theme 13, Resilience, Business Continuity, Incident Management and Disaster Recovery. Now, in future videos, we're going to be talking through these themes in a bit more detail, and we'll be talking about, you as a business and what to do to become compliant in future videos. Now, once you've completed the certification, if required, you can just continue looking at your own development of information security, potentially look at the IASME Cyber Assurance framework, maybe adapt and implement those extra themes that aren't included within the baseline certification. The certification is based around a point-in-time assessment questionnaire. So what will happen is you'll get signed up, you'll go into an online portal, you'll complete all your questions, answer everything that you can, and then you'll submit it. We'll assess you, and you get marked against that point-in-time assessment. If for any reason you fail or there's any issues, we'll get back in touch with you. We'll let you know what you need to adapt and change to actually become certified. Now, the certification only lasts a year, so every 12 months you must re-register to keep this certification live. Once you've achieved the certification, you can also receive a digital certificate that you can use in your marketing material just to tell people that you're actually certified to the IASME Cyber Baseline certification. The IASME Cyber Baseline standard allows your business to actually show your suppliers, your partners, your customers that you've got the critical cyber hygiene measures in place, that you're helping to ensure that the information is safely protected and safeguarded against incident, and it also helps to comply against GDPR and data protection laws as well. The standard has also been designed to map to several international cyber hygiene standards as well, and best practices in which there's currently no formal way of actually demonstrating compliance because they don't have any assessments or certifications associated with them. So you can get IASME Cyber Baseline, tick this, and then you can show compliance against a lot of other standards that are out within Europe and international market. The standard can play an important part for the business in helping to make sure that you develop and maintain an information management security system. Not only that, dealing with technology and stuff like that, but it also deals with people, paper-based systems, risk within the business and everything like that. The standard will help businesses look at their business from more of a cybersecurity risk-based approach instead of just a business risk area. This means that the business will be able to look at their assets, how they're protecting the assets, where the assets are, who the assets owners are. And this is both internally and externally within the business. If you're thinking about considering this certification, you'll be able to download the standard and the questions from the IASME website. I'll put a link to the area with this within the video, below the video in the description. Now, one of the questions you might be asking is, how long does it take to complete the assessment? Well, this can depend upon several factors in the business, such as potentially your understanding of English. At the moment, the portal that you complete the self-assessment in is only within English. So if you're not too good with English, this might take a little while to complete, but I would recommend at least 3 or 4 hours to actually complete the assessment if you've got everything in place. If you haven't, it might take a couple of days to actually complete, to actually update the documents, get your policies and procedures in place as well. Another question is people have been asking us, well, how much does the certification cost? At the moment, the cost will be charged in pounds sterling. However, this might change in the future depending upon which country you're in from, and you might be charged locally later on. However, at the moment it's based around a pricing tier of how many people are within the business, and these are as follows. So we've got micro business. So 1 to 9 people in the business, this is £300. Small, 10 to 29 people in the business, £400. A medium business is 50 to 249 people in the business, this is £450. And then a large business is 250 people and above, which is £500. Now, not only do you pay for the certification, but we can also provide support as well if you need to help with completing the self-assessment. If you need additional policies, procedures in place, need help with actually filling it in, we can help you with that. We can provide additional service with that. So just get in touch with us via the website and we'll be more than willing to actually help you for that. Now, I hope this video has been informative for you. If you'd like to know a little bit more about IASME Cyber Baseline, feel free to get in touch with us. Have a look at our website. Have a look at the IASME website. I'll put the links in the description below the video. And for now, thanks very much.